Hello, this is Zach Keelik from VCACteam.info with a demonstration on how to use property dictionaries. First off, we're going to go ahead and access it by going to Enterprise Administrator and then go to Property Dictionary. Now what the Property Dictionary is it allows you to define new fields as well as assign a control type to them, allowing you to create tick boxes or drop-down lists or lots of other different types of fields that display out to your end user when they request a VM. This allows you to get all the information from the customer on the first hit and then automate the provisioning process. So we'll go ahead and start with an easy one. We'll go ahead and add a property definition, and we'll just do a tick box to begin with. From here, we'll go ahead and give it a name. Now the name has to have at the very end of it custom.property. So we'll just name this one test.custom.property. What I'll do is I'll copy this for use later because it has to be the same case and everything like that. For this, it'll be test tick maybe, and then we'll call it a checkbox, and we can, but we don't have to, mark it as required. We'll go ahead and check the green checkbox. Now we'll associate it to the blueprint. So we'll go into our global blueprints. We'll go in and edit. We'll then go into our properties, new property, and we'll paste that in there. We'll say prompt user for that information, press the green check, and OK. So now if our end user goes into their self-service portal, and they access that blueprint, when they go into additional settings, you'll see that box now and test tick. You can make that required, as I mentioned before, or not. So we'll go ahead and do something a little bit more complex now. We'll go and create a drop-down list. So we'll go back into our administrator and we'll go back to the property dictionary. We'll add a new property and we'll call this one maybe drop.custom.property. We'll make sure to copy that. Display name is going to be colors, and we want it to be a drop-down list. We'll just go ahead and click save on that one, and then we're going to edit the property attributes to actually create that list. So we'll hit edit here, and we'll say add property attribute. Type is going to be a value list. Name is going to be colors, and then for the values we put them in a comma separated form. So we'll say white, red, pink, blue, orange, and then we'll press the green save button and then OK. Now once again we're going to go out to our blueprint. We'll edit it and go to the property screen. We'll add the property, paste in our name, say user prompted, green checkbox, and then OK. Now if we flip back to our service catalog for the end user, we'll go ahead and request that blueprint again. If we go into additional settings, you'll see that colors is now there, and we have a drop down with all those colors that were requested. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check back on VCACteam.info for regular updates and new videos.